Hi, so we are now starting the whole school activity, The Environment and Me, and Geography and ICT is up first. So what I kind of thought I would do is link everything we've been learning into a couple of activities that you can do in your surrounding areas. So the very first activity I want you to do is this. I want you to go into your garden. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a very big garden, then I want you to choose a kind of area. If, like me, you have a very small garden, as my photo shows now, that spot will do quite nicely. And what I want you to do is to either grab a chair so you can count everything or stand. And what I then want you to do is to count how many trees have you got in your garden. How many plants have you got? Now the plants I'm talking about, flowers, are your grass, are your shrubs. And I want you to try and count each different type of plant that you've got. I also want you to count how many birds you've got. Now here you can quite nicely cheat because you can include the ones that you can hear and see around the house, because naturally birds aren't going to stay in one spot. So actually, if you're sitting in your garden, just take a time to listen. Can you hear them in the trees nearby? They're allowed to count. And then also count the insects. Now if you see two different types of bumblebees, that counts as two insects, because I'm after the different type of species that you can see. If you've got rocks, with your parents' help or very, very carefully, look underneath the rocks because there might be some insects there. Also look against your garden fence. There could be spiders' webs. Okay, so that's the kind of first challenge I want you to do. Now you can record it in the OneNote like I have provided, or to go along with Niall's work is to then create an Excel spreadsheet where you record this data. Now the additional challenge that I would like you to do is to do it in the morning and the afternoon. So to do it at two different times. Now naturally the plants and trees aren't going to change, but the insects and the birds might change, and that'd be quite good for data analysis. Another sort of additional task I would like you to do is then to draw a picture of your garden and add where you found the different type of fauna and flora. Fauna being the animals, which also includes the insects, flora being the plants. And where did you find them? Now I have included in the OneNote at the bottom a couple of posters. The posters are not a comprehensive list, but they will be able to help you identify some of the plants and animals that you see. Go on, give it a go.